Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can upgrade for advanced features in Claude.ai. So what you need to do is head over here to the bottom left corner where you see your profile icon and your name. Click on it, and then what you are going to see here is upgrade plan. So right click on that, and here you will see what you can get. Alright, so we have the free version, pro version, and max version. So for pro version, you will need to pay around 15, 20 euros, dollars, but you will need to be aware of that you will be also charged 20 percentage of VAT. It depends in which country you are. All right, so also, if you select the Pro version, it will basically be somehow limited. So you will have limited basically uh, tokens for a few hours. So you need to be careful with those also. It doesn't matter, but it is more advanced than free version. Now, when you decide which package you want, let's say we want that one, get Pro plan, it will open up here a new window where you will put in your details. So let's say we want yearly subscription, so we will save 17%, but it will cost us total due today 221 euros. All right. Let's say we are okay with that. Now we go further for payment methods. So right here we will put in our name, our country, our address, card number, expiration date of our card, security code, and then we can also select here the tax ID type. And when we agree with this whole thing, we can just subscribe and pay, and that's how we will get the pro plan right here. And yeah, we can then use, let's say, Opus 4.7, more advanced model. We can also use Opus 4.6 or Opus 3. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.